Welcome to our today's lesson, and in our today's lesson we will look at trigonometry. And these questions will look at paper one type of question which has to do with a right angle triangle, and later on we will do a question from 2025 paper 1 GCE. To start with, let's look at three trigonometric ratios. Soh Cah Toa. So the three trigonometric ratios are abbreviated as Soh Cah Toa, and we use them when you're solving for a right angle triangle, whereby you're looking for a side or an angle of that right angle triangle. And these three are: sine theta is equal to opposite of hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite of adjacent. So to use one of these, you need to identify which one is the opposite, will be opposite, which one will be your adjacent, and which one will be your hypotenuse. Let's take it. For instance, we have this angle. So if that is the given angle, opposite to that angle, that will be your opposite side. So this will becomes the opposite in this matter. Then where it's lying, that is their adjacent. Then the hypotenuse means the longest side. Now let's say maybe the angle is here. Then opposite to that angle will be, this is our angle. Let's do this. Okay, so if this is our angle, then opposite, that will be your opposite side. Yeah, and this one becomes your adjacent. So you need to identify, considering the angle you're looking for or the angle given is the one that will determine the opposite and the adjacent, but for the hypotenuse it remains the same. Let's look at this question taken from 2025 paper 1 GCE. And the question reads, in the diagram below, AB is equal to 8 cm, AD equal to 10 cm, DC is equal to 12 cm, and angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Find the value of tan angle ACB. To find angle tan ACB, it's this one. This is the angle you're looking for, and you're told that to find the value of angle tan. So we use from the three trigonometric ratios, use the one which has tan. And if we use this, the one with tan, because tan theta is equal to opposite, of adjacent. Okay, so opposite over adjacent. So in this case, we need to identify which one is our opposite. Our opposite here, it will be this line here. It will be this one. This will be our opposite. So that's our opposite, which is 8 cm. And our adjacent should be this line from B up to C. This is our adjacent. So our adjacent is made up of BD and DC, and DC is 12 cm, whilst BD we don't know, meaning we have to find the BD, this line here, then we add with 12. How do we find that one? That's why here I have a formula for Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is the one that states that the hypotenuse squared is equal to, when you square the other two opposite sides, it will give you the side you are looking for. So in this case, let's look at the formula. The hypotenuse, if for this triangle ABD, triangle ABD, that's the AD, that's our hypotenuse, and it's the one which you are supposed to start with. We say AD squared equal to the square of the other side, which is AB squared plus BD squared. So our AD here is 10. So here you write 10. You write 10 squared. Okay. Plus AB squared. AB squared. AB it's 8. So we write 8 squared. Plus for BD we don't have. That's the one we are looking for in this matter. So we just bring it down. We say BD squared. So 10 squared, that is 100. You are getting 100 here. Okay, that's my 100 there. Equal to 8 squared, that is 64. 64 plus BD squared. Okay, that's my squared there. Then so you simply just rearrange this. So we are going to have B. We are going to have BD squared equal to 100. Okay, 100 minus 64. So if you get 64 to the other side, it will be 100 minus 64. And then we are getting BD, we drop it down here, squared is equal to 36. And so introduce the square root both sides. Introduce the square root both sides. We are going to have 6 centimeter. So, and when you add 6 to 12 on there, you add 6 to 12, you get 6 to 12 there, you get that is 18. So our adjacent will be 18. Therefore, our tan here, tan, okay, our tan theta, which is ACD, will be equal to the opposite, which is 8 over 18. So you can simply reduce this, divide by 2, 2 into 8, you get 4, then 2 into 18, you get 9. So that's our tan angle ACB. That's the answer. Tan ACB is equal to 4/9. So this is how we work it out, trigonometry in paper 1. So you need to do some more questions on a right angle triangle. We are supposed to use Soh Cah Toa, and make sure that you are able to identify which one is the opposite, which one is the adjacent, and which one is the hypotenuse. That will be easier for you. Thank you for your attention, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more mathematics lessons and the chemistry. This channel is made up of mathematics and chemistry, so we'll be doing more of the questions. And drop on the comment section if you have any question. Bye bye.